Alam mo ba?
Jamie! TJ. Asan si TJ? TJ Hotdog. Dapat may accent. Ira!
Ryan? Aaron? Aki?
Thank you.
Cyrus?
Size 12 to.
Sapatos yan, ha?
So I'm coming home to you. All behind, for with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can control. Oh, round and around it goes, and all that we seem to know.
Ikaw magbabago, ha? Palagay yung sarili mo.
We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you.
Mararamdaman mo naman kasi yun, eh. Parang bigla na lang papasok sa mo, isip at puso mo na parang, uy, eto na to. Eto na yung time para mag-propose ka.
Alam mo yung nandun na ako sa part na sobrang comfortable na ako and siya na talaga nakikita ko na makasama ko habang buhay. And yung dating prayers ko ng hopes na parang what if ganito po, Lord? Suddenly, naging gratitude and full of dreams na siya. Ayun.
Rowena Ariana, Dapol, baby. Wala akong ibang hiniling sa Panginoon kundi mangyari itong araw na to. Ang araw na papakasalan ko ang pinakamagandang babaeng nakita ng aking mga mata.
Isaiah 60:22. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. We've made it through all the torpe and pabebedes, all the petty fights and the toughest times. And I'm so amazed with how God planned our lives.
lagi kong ipapakita, ipaparamdam, at ipapaalala kung gaano kita kamahal at pipiliin araw-araw.
No more sana all, but more on salamat, Lord. I'm here to stay for richer and richer and richer and for fuller. And I can't wait to build and reach our goals and dreams together. I love you so much.